So I'm so happy today because I'm a winner in the Mr. and Mrs. East Africa. I'm so happy. Number one is my coach, the number one who have give me support and energy because I say, Tamarika, you can do it. I do that. So happy because I have some problem I know there, but the people I can come there. People are so happy. Says Tamale come and enjoy. The number one, number two, playing good to helping me to win.
As a country right now, and which is why we are fighting for mental health to be introduced in schools as a subject from primary to secondary school level, is because we are not doing very well. 1 in every 4 people is suffering from a mental health issue.
Really focusing on mental health on these sports because, as you can see, a lot of youth are very jobless.